We opened the doors November 29th, 2003. Here we are today, 15 years later.
I come into City Tile for the service. Everything's readily available, everything's in stock. I like bringing clients in here because Rose will take my clients around, pick out the materials with them. It's a lot more personal coming in here. You really feel the family presence when you come in here to shop.
I have people commenting on our service and just the experience of buying tile from us.
We try to make it a really easy transition, you know, to fulfill their dreams, right? But to make it smooth. Not because they come in here and they're a little overwhelmed on what they see. So we try to narrow it down and just make their whole experience easy.
This is a team effort. We all work together.
Our staff's very much a family. We're very, very close. So that's how I think of City Tile, is really like our family.
Putting all your experience together can help someone choose what they want, because they come in and have no idea what they want. We're not on commission, so we don't push things down people's throat. We see what they want and they need, and that's what we try to sell them, and they leave here happy.
With the boom of renovation shows on TV, people want to do more hands-on. We have the products to do that. We have the experience to teach people how to do that.
Yeah. You can come here and get everything you need for a tile job, but then, you know, maybe your living room wants a rug, or maybe your bathroom wants a large format tile, but your kitchen wants another size. Like, there's anything you need for a reno.
If you need a deck done, that's also something that we do now, right? So
maybe you're hungry, you want some spaghetti. Or some
Coffee. Thank you from all of us at City Tile.
All of us at City Tile would like to thank the following sponsors: Rondine Ceramica, Custom Building Products, Rubi Tools, Warmly Yours, MD Pro, Laticrete International, Freedom 55, Lackmond, Stevens Omni, Wedi Corporation, and Industrial Plastics.
Just because your truck says it's an F-150, it will not carry tile. Okay? Go ahead and bring the proper vehicle.
Don't show up in a Miata.
Please do not go to Costco before you come to us. Every time I lift tile into people's vehicles, they always say, "Oh, you don't need to go to the gym today." I always say, "Oh, I'll tell my wife that."